Hello, today we will be learning how to operate CNC turning center. To operate CNC machines, we must use software provided by their manufacturer. In this case, we are using CNC base for Bench Turn 7000. This software reads our program to manufacture specific details. If we take a closer look to the software, we can see there is windows like job control, operator panel, actual position, machine info, and program window. Job control allows us to move the tool at the jog speed. We can set jog speed and movement distance. Operator panel allows us to run program, set settings for run, and actual position window tells us the position of the tool. Machine info provides the information about the machine. As you can see in the program window, I already have prepared some program to run, but before we run this program, we must check that we have right tool selected in our turret. In this case, we need tool 1, but tool number 2 is selected. We switch to the tool number 1, and machine will switch to the tool in the first position. And next, we must verify our program so that we know that there wouldn't be any problems during the run. Before we verify it, we must input the dimensions of the workpiece. To input the dimensions of the workpiece, you must choose the stock tab, and as you can see, I already inputted the length and the diameter of our workpiece. Also must be noted that software does not calculate the length of the jaws, so you must subtract them from the length. In this case, it was 20 millimeters. So after we have inputted dimensions of the workpiece, we verify our program. As you can see, there's no problems in the simulation. After we verified our program, we home our tool, select home, and it will move to the 0 point of the machine coordinates. So after verifying it, we move to the machine. Also, we have the option to calculate the estimated runtime at the program tab. Estimated runtime is 6 minutes 32 seconds. Before starting work, you must make sure that there is no obstacles in the turret's path, since it will be moving during the work. You must also make sure that lathe bed is fully lubricated. To lubricate lathe bed, you must push this lever and oil will be dispersed. To set up workpiece, you first must open the jaws of the jack, place the workpiece, and close the jaws until the workpiece doesn't move. Make sure that the workpiece is placed correctly, since it will be rotating at very high speeds. After making sure that workpiece is placed correctly, we close the door. Before we run our program, I want to measure actual runtime of the program. So, to run our program, we home our tool, home, and press cycle start at our run program window. And we already verified settings, so we're on program. I will see you after we finish our work. And the actual runtime was 6 minutes 48 seconds. Pretty close. After our program is finished, as you can see, the workpiece turned into this part. That's all for our lesson today. Thank you for coming.